of my most favoriteest tracks out of Pakistan. I'm just gonna say that. Oh, fuck, did I just say that? Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo, and that's it. I'm back, and I'm continuing with your favorite. Well, it seems to be your favorite because the requests just don't stop. Velo Sound Station 2.0. They're going really well. And I hope that streak continues. The last one was Heather. Yeah. Heather's Summer Fling pop song completely reminded me of Justin and Kid Laroi. Very nice. I mean, you can go and watch that reaction. Why am I recapping for you? But yeah, it's the Summer Fling song. Not sure about summer flings for myself, but yeah, go and have yours. Moving on. Moving right along. It's like awkward conversation. We have Maanu, who I am currently loving. I mean, I reacted to For You. Last is a vibe, is on the Rondo playlist. I freaking love it. And Manu's just going places. Rozeo now. I have not visited in a while. Oh my God, it's been really long. I know he's done tracks in the middle. I just haven't been able to get to them. So I think the last one of his was Fitur featuring Muju, and then I know Bum Twirl, and oh my God, with Hassan I covered Sona too. I think he was there. It's been a while. Basically, yeah. It's been a while. It says Maanu and Rozeo pump up the energy in Spicy, only on Velo where pop don't stop. Okay. No exciting hashtags. Co-written and composed by Rozeo and Maanu, produced by the two of them. And that's it. Amazing. So it's gonna be in the other Maanu avatar, the fun and, well, pop of course, but the high energy. Okay, it's called Spicy only. I'm very excited. Chalo, 1, 2, 3, play.
Vibe spicy, bobo spicy, Sardar hoo-ha, munda va fiery. Bhai tera spicy, fire ki gaiki, gala kara main lively. I mean, badal davanga main psyche, spicy mirchi. Beat drop hote mera mind quit. Kabhi kabhi kho deta main by choice. Check it out. Busy on the mic, oi. Choti ravi de baar teri raay, oi. ऐसी बातें की तो ला enjoy. Rizzi Maanu दोनों गरम करे my thighs. Sky high मैंने बेगदा बताए बातें करन जोगी जो भी हरकताओं करन आए होए. मैंने तो ये पहले कहा था मिलेगा ना मेरे वर्गा लिहाजा. On the mic बनूं beat का मैं डांचा. Flow spicy मिर्च मसाला. Bucky I'm a fly boy. नजर नहीं up at the sky boy. मेरा हाथ तेरा thyroid. Every true love story to the twilight. Man up in the booth I'm feeling like a damn magician. मुके आज time thought I don't wanna listen. आगे साड़ी वारी में ते बैठे हैं मैं chilling like a Nokia आगे होना की clear है का vision. ये मेरी game कोई नहीं मुकाबले का दावत है. खुली mood किसी का भी जानने का कांटा और छुरी दोनों हाथ में तैयार बैठा मंतर है मेरे खतरनाक song. जिन्हें लाला hoot to the bit of the boom. Shy killer on the loose. मेरा दिमाग वाला screw. थोड़ा हिला जरा loose. Godzilla in the booth. गलतियां तो होती रहती तू भी मेरा oops. Oops, I did it again. It happens every time that I pick up the pen. Na chena me chen, te mile na chen. Me jithe vi java rapping again, no can damn. Oh my God. Vibe spicy.
I like it.
Bobo spicy. Sardar hoo-ha. Munda va fiery. Bhai tera spicy. Fire ki gaiki. Gala kara main lively. I mean, badal davanga main psyche. Spicy mirchi. Beat jab bhi roke hota mind band. Aage lava mic no me time bomb. Power rola khole ke de bite dance. Sweet laka jeve mein khalifa di khataiyan. Time up bhai chal. Chante chalan jeve Jackson Michael. Check it. Study wave. Tidal. Thodi wave shower. Oh we bridal. Speed ala ke chala like a 1 to 5. वो कहते वाह वाह जदों भी I vocalize. सोचा लोगों की सोचों को जरा डोट कराएं. Like okay bye. Can't deny कि थोड़ी चंगी नहीं है शायद. That is the sort of a yampu vibe. Yampu क्या है ये तो मेरा ढंग बताए. बोलो जो लब पे आए मन पतंग उड़ाए. दुनिया बाढ़ में vibe लेती सदा मेरी spicy मिर्ची. सिक्के किसके moving up मंजिल से मैं मिलने है सुनी रो आया सी मैंने दिखता सी कि वे जितनी जीता मैं कभी डरिया नहीं कभी सिकिया नहीं but I'm still well on my way जादू है बराबर ना कोई आमने सामने आया सुनाने ये बातें किसा कोई शोले भड़कते कलम से यूं मेरी क्या मेरी खता हुई ढलते हुए सूरज की धूप नजारा हो जैसे कि नारंगी कला है जादू है हरा सके ना कोई हिम्मत पूरी जो करना जरूरी रुकावटें ना रही मंजर में ढूंढूं सुकून में फनी महारत बहती इस खून में शुक्राने के नफर में पढ़ूं पर लगता ये बहुत लालची Flavor spicy लालची Bobo spicy लालची Sardar के हुआ लालची मुंडा वा fiery Spicy, fire की लाइकी, दिल कर में lively, I mean, बदल लवंगा में psyche, spicy मिर्ची, bite spicy मिर्ची.
Damn. Okay, I freaking loved it. Loved it. Loved it. Loved it. Oh my god, guys. Y'all are a vibe. Y'all are freaking. I'm gonna reserve my comments on the styling. Although it wasn't that bad. There was just I thought there was like a silver outfit, but it's white. It's fine. Okay, so anyway. What is this skill level? First of all, why are they underrated as am I right when I call them underrated? I feel like they are because I don't know. Maanu is just like banger after soulful track after soulful track. He's like showing us his artistry in every space and he's always killing it. I've never not enjoyed a Maanu song. I think I said this last time as well, whether it's one of these mad fun songs of his or whether it's one of those other melodic emo tracks. I've never not liked a Maanu song. And just look at the skill level in this. Just look at the writing. I'm just trying to remember. Were there Punjabi lines as well? I think there were some, right? Yeah. No, it was Urdu and English. I'm just wondering, was it a trilingual song or a bilingual? Anyway, it doesn't matter. It was freaking smooth AF. Rozeo is one of the most talented rappers around. I haven't covered a lot of him, but I do know this as a fact because I've seen enough. And I can say this. His writing is always very layered. And just the way, you can see the skill set on display. It's right there. It's the two of them together. What was the track of them together that I had covered? I'm very curious now to check. No. Was it the two of them? Was it Bum to? No, that was not them. Was there a track with the two of them? Maybe not. Maybe I'm mistaken. But I thought I've seen them together. Anyway, maybe I've seen the track pop up in my feed because I'm sure they've collabed in the past. I just haven't covered it in my own this thing. Oh, hold on 1 second. I can look this up on Maanu's channel. Big Like Large. Yeah. Right. I've gotten requests for it. Oh, even Hitman. Okay, they've done quite a bit together. So fine. So I haven't gotten to those tracks yet. I've seen those names together many times. But damn, together, they're like, it's almost like, you know what it reminded me of? It reminded me of Seedhe Moth. Just because, you know how effortlessly Calm and Encore flow into each other's verses and play off of each other's rhymes and vibes. They were doing the same thing. They were so in sync with each other. It's almost like they're a duo. And they've been doing this together for years. I freaking loved. And can I just say that the vocal treatment given to Maanu's voice here, I love it. I love it. It just makes it sound like what he's saying comes across as, actually no, it's not just him, it's Rozeo as well. It just comes across, there's just an added, like, I don't know what to call it. I don't know. It's just gonna call it an added layer of awesomeness because the vocal texture that was given to both their voices was just right for the vibe. I love it. I'm gonna go over the lyrics offline because they packed in so much. Actually, why not just why offline? I should just do it here now. The flows, the rhymes, I just, this is, I feel so distinct because I run out of words. When I see tracks like this. Like, I honestly want to cry out of joy because it's so good. It's so good. I'm gonna just go over the lyrics. Why not? They were fun. Vibe spicy, boo boo spicy. What is boo boo? B-O-U, B-O-U. It was written there also. I was like, ये क्या- कौन सा boo boo का ये spelling है? I've always seen B-O-O, B-O-O. Anyway, bow bow or boo boo. What is it? सारे कहन hoo ha. मुंडा वा फायर. भाई तेरा स्पाइसी फायर हैगी गायकी. गल्ला करा मैं लाइवली. I mean, बदल देवांगा मैं साइकी. See, there is Punjabi. Spicy मिर्ची. ओए. बीट ड्रॉप होते मेरा माइंड खोए. कभी कभी खो देता मैं बाय चॉइस. रिजी ऑन द माइक ओए. सुट्टी रवि दे पार तेरी राय ओए. ऐसी बातें ही तो लाए जॉय. रिजी मानू दोनों कलम करे माए टाए. स्काई हाई मैनी वेखता बात दाए बाए. ते कारण जोगी जो भी हरकता ओ करन आए होए. Listen, they spit these lines so fast, you're just like, what? What? What is being said? जो भी कह रहे हैं अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन क्या कह रहे हैं? You know, that happens. I have to listen to it like 5 times more. But whatever I heard, I loved it. It was a vibe. मैंने तो ये पहले कहा था, मिलेगा ना मेरे वर्गा लिहाजा. ऑन द माइक बनू बीट का मैं ढांचा. फ्लो स्पाइसी मिर्च मसाला. पंख पंखी I'm a fly boy. नजर रेंदी up at the sky boy. मेरा हाथ मेरा तेरा थायराइड. ए हुई ट्रू लव स्टोरी. छड्डो ट्वाइलाइट. Man, up in the booth, I'm feeling like a damn magician. Mukia je time tuada. I don't want to listen. आ गई साडी वारी. मैं ते बैठा एਵੇਂ chillin. Like I know कि आगे होना की है. Clear हैगी vision. Damn. ये मेरी गेम कोई नहीं मुकाबले का. दावत है खुली मूड किसी का भी जाने का. कांटा और छुरी दोनों हाथ में तैयार बैठा. मंतर है मेरे खतरनाक सुन. झिंगा लाला हु टू द बिडा बाडा बूम. शाही किलर ऑन द लूस. मेरा दिमाग आला स्क्रू. थोड़ा हिला जरा लूस. गॉडजिला इन द बूथ. गलतियां तो होती रही हैं. तू भी मेरा oops, that was hilarious. What to use this? To be better. Oops. Oops, I did it again. It happens every time that I pick up a pen. Na china मैं चैन ते मिला ना चैन. मैं जिथे भी जावा reppin that yen. Yen? ओ कहंदे ने damn. Damn. Chorus. Beat जब ही रुके होता माइंड बंद. अगलावा माइक नू मैं टाइम बम. So funny. Yeah. पावर रोला खुल के. पावा रोला खुल के ते भाई डन. स्वीटू लगा जिवे मैं खलीफा दी खटाई यम. What is that? खलीफा दी. टाइम अप भाई चल चांद ते चला जिवे जैक्सन माइकल नाइस. चेक इट साडी वेव टाइडल ਤੁਹਾਡੀ वेव शावर ओ भी ब्राइडल. So funny. Listen, you're just really funny. This is hilarious. I have to read this again. Check it साडी वेव टाइडल ਤੁਹਾਡੀ वेव शावर ओ भी ब्राइडल. ओ भी ब्राइडल. ओके स्पीडा लाके चले चला जे भाई 125. 125. ओ कहंदे वाह वाह जदों भी आई वोकलाइज. सोचा लोगों की सोचों को जुरा हड कराए. लाइक ओके बाय. आई कांट डिनाई कि ਤੁਹਾਡੀ चंगी नी है शायद. लाता रिजी सॉर्ट ऑफ यम्पलू वाई. अब यम्पलू क्या है ये तो मेरा ढंग बताए. ओके आई जस्ट गोना आस्क. बोलू जो लब पे आए मुंह पतंग उड़ाए. दुनिया भर में ए भाई बरेंदी साडा मेरी स्पाइसी मिर्ची. व्हाट वाज दैट स्लो पार्ट दैट मानू डिड? दैट वाज रियली interesting because I was wondering कि ये गाना कहाँ जाए. I thought it's ending and then I saw it's only halfway through and I was like where is he taking it? Then he took it into a different place and then Rozeo brought it back. So nicely done. आया सिक्के घिसके. मूविंग अप मंजिल से मैं मिलने है सूनी राह. आया सी मैं ना दिखता सी कि वे जितनी जीत है. मैं कड्डी डरिया नहीं कद्दी सिखिया नहीं. But I'm still well on my way. I think this was that part, right? Very like the lines got a bit deeper there, so it was nice. कला है जादुई बराबर है ना कोई. आमने सामने आया सुनाने ये बातें किस्सा गोई. शोले भड़कते कलम से यूं मेरे क्या मेरी खता हुई. लगे ढलते हुए सूरज की धूप नजारा हो जैसे ये नारंगी. कला है जादुई हरा सकाना कोई. हिम्मत है पूरी करना जरूरी. रुकावटें ना रही मंजिल मंजर में ढूंढूं सुकून में. फनी महारत है बहती इस खून में. शुक्राने के नफत What is that? Naf, NFL. नफल नफल मैं पढ़ूं पर लड़का मैं बहुत हूँ लालची लालची. Oh. Listen, what is this? First of all, what was the beat? What was that beat? And I mean, this is incredible stuff. This is just absolutely incredible. I can't believe how good this show is going in this season. Like, I'm just gonna cry. I'm gonna cry because that was so good. That was so good. The two of them together, I think y'all should just form a duo and just do this together a lot. Because the way you guys work together, not just like verbally and vocally, but also visually, y'all were just in sync with each other. And um the cheekiness and the wit and the humor and the sarcasm, plus the mixing of the three languages, plus like just like you can't find someone who's that in sync with you and on your wavelength when it comes to art, right? It's very difficult to find someone who gets it like you get it. So I think y'all should just do like your thing as a duo on the side as well as your solo stuff, but y'all should definitely work more often together. So good, so freaking good. Y'all kill the beat, and it was just this is one of my most favoriteest tracks out of Pakistan. I'm just gonna say that. Fuck, did I just say that? Because you all know how much music I've loved. I'm just gonna say it because it's that good. It's that good. I honestly did not expect this to be this good. Anyway, my expectations have nothing to do with anything. Just these guys are super freaking talented, and they have. I never thought I would like a song called Spicy. Just saying, just saying. But it has nothing to do with my friend who's called Spicy. I like that dude very much. It's all good. I'm just saying that this has taken me by surprise in a hella amazing way. So yay! Manu's on a roll. And Rozeo. I have to get to their other songs now. I know you all have been requesting it for a while, and I am the only one to blame. So don't hate me, but let me know which one first. Yeah, just drop me a comment or a DM. I am there. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna play this on loop because this is my last recording for the day. And if okay, right now it's at 2.9 million. It'll hit like 3.5 just from my repeats. So I'll just say. So guys, this is lovely. I'm enjoying this show. Now I think I've covered all the tracks that have been released, unless something comes up before the song, before this reaction comes out. But let me know if it does, and if I need to get to it, drop me a DM. Do support the channel. It's free. You just have to hit one of these buttons. Chalo, take care of you. Live long and prosper.